Bikin gulali pakai permen Fox. Mari kita coba. Rasa black currant. Now the lemon one. There is no lemon inside. I guess I will open it.
Lemon ya.
Lemon. It's opening. Sour like lemon. Yes, it's sour. It is stuck in the plastic. Oh. And now the orange one. Wait. I get to die like this. Rasa kayak lemon tapi is so sweet sour. Pepper. Pepper is great. Mama yummy. Udah jadi guys, mari kita coba. Mama mia yummy. Rasa kayak kayaknya rasa kayak lemon.
Lemon.
Hah?
Coba lagi. Orange sama black currant-nya ada nggak? Ada ngerasa?
Enak banget guys campuran rasanya. Enak banget guys, rasa lemon. Mama mia, yummy. Mari kita coba pinggirnya guys. Mama mia yummy, so crunchy. Then this sweet sour.
Rasanya apa pinggirannya?
Kayaknya rasa blueberry.
Black currant. Enak ya?
Yummy, 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 yummy. I love you. Next bikin pakai apa lagi guys? Komen di bawah ya. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.